Hello everyone. In previous lecture we discussed about the flavones and the flavonols, that is the epigenin, luteolin, quercetin and myricetin. In today's lecture we are going to discuss about the isoflavones, butene, then daidzein, cyanidin and the hirsutidine. So let's start with the isoflavones. These isoflavones are also known as the isoflavonoids. They are very similar to flavones except that the P ring is attached to position 3 of the C ring rather than 2 position as in the flavones. So this is the structure of flavone and this is the structure of isoflavone. In the structure of flavones, this B ring, so this is the A, B and C. So in the structure of flavones, this B ring is attached to C ring at 2 position, and in the structure of isoflavone, this B ring is attached to C ring at 3 position. So this is the difference between the flavones and the isoflavones, in which this phenyl ring is attached at 2 position, and in isoflavone this phenyl ring is attached at 3 position. So this is all about the isoflavones, which is also known as the isoflavonoids. So let's see. Daidzein. The IUPAC name of daidzein is 7,4-dihydroxyisoflavone. So daidzein has isoflavone nucleus in its structure and two hydroxyl group present at 7 and 4' position. Let's see the constitution. The molecular formula of daidzein is C15H10O4. The number of hydroxyl group, it forms diacetate on acetylation, and on methylation it forms dimethoxy derivative, and on benzylation it gives dibenzyl derivative. The formation of this diacetyl derivative, dimethoxy derivative and dibenzyl derivative proves that there is a presence of two hydroxyl group. Now let's see the position. On fusion with KOH, it gives resorcinol and para-hydroxyphenyl acetic acid and meta-hydroxyphenol. The formation of resorcinol, para-hydroxyphenyl acetic acid and meta-hydroxyphenol confirms that there are the hydroxyl group present at 7 position in ring A and hydroxyl group present at 4 position in ring B. Now let's see the structure of daidzein. So this is the structure of daidzein, which has isoflavone nucleus. So this is the isoflavone nucleus in which this phenyl ring is attached to this chromone ring at 3 position, and it has two hydroxyl group at 7 and 4' position. So this is the structure of daidzein. Now let's see the synthesis. Spath and Coworker synthesis. Daidzein prepared from 2,4-dihydroxy phenyl para-hydroxybenzyl ketone. So in this, now base will abstract proton from this alpha carbon of the carbonyl group, and it will become CH negative. Now this CH negative nucleophile will attack on the carbonyl carbon and pi bond open on this oxygen. Now this oxygen becomes negative, that is CO negative. Here the negative charge shifted to this carbon and old bond breaks, means this OC2H5, this bond breaks, means removal of C2H5OH takes place and we get this product. Now here the lone pair of oxygen shifted to this carbon and pi bond open on this oxygen, and here this oxygen get negatively charged. Now protonation takes place. With the protonation here removal of water molecule takes place. With the removal of water molecule here double bond forms, and with the formation of double bond we get the final product, that is the daidzein. So this is the synthesis of the daidzein. Now let's see butene. That is a chalcone. The molecular formula of butene is C15H12O5. On acetylation, it gives tetraacetyl derivative. On methylation, it gives tetramethoxy derivative, and it shows the presence of four OH groups. So formation of tetraacetyl and tetramethoxy derivative confirms that it has a 4 hydroxyl group in its structure. Now let's see the position. On fusion with KOH, it gives resorcinol and 3,4-dihydroxybenzoic acid. The formation of resorcinol confirms that it has hydroxyl group at 5 and 7 position, and formation of this 3,4-dihydroxybenzoic acid confirms that it has hydroxyl group at 3 and 4 position. So this is the structure of the butene, which has 4 hydroxyl group present at 5, 7, 3 dash and 4 dash. Let's see the synthesis of butene. Now this is the structure of resorcinol. Now this resorcinol reacts with CH3, Cn, that is acetonitrile, ZnCl2, zinc chloride and HCl. Here the lone pair of oxygen shifted here and this pi bond open on this carbon. Now this carbon becomes negatively charged, that is CH2 negative. Now there is a nucleophilic addition takes place to the acetonitriles, that is CH3 C triple bond N. Now there is a imine formation takes place, that is CH3 double bond NH2. Now this imine get hydrolyzed and we get this product, that is the dihydroxy acetophenone. Now dihydroxy acetophenone react with this dihydroxy benzaldehyde and we get this product, that is the butene. Basically here base abstract proton from this alpha carbon of the carbonyl group, it will become CH2 negative. Now this CH2 negative attacks on the C double bond O and this pi bond open on this oxygen. Now this oxygen become negatively charged, then OH formation takes place, then with the removal of water molecule here double bond formation takes place and we get the final product, that is the butene. Let's see anthocyanins. The anthocyanins are brilliant red and blue pigments. Basically the anthocyanins is derived from the flavanols and it has a basic structure of flavelium ion. This flavelium ion has absence of ketone oxygen at 4 position. Then they are occur as a glycosides in cells of plants. They are found in berries, fruits, flowers and leaves of the plants. So they are common components of the human diet as they are present in many fruits and the vegetables. They are amphoteric. Acid salts are red and metallic salts are blue and natural are violet. They are soluble in water, chloroform and the benzene. The nucleus is flavelium chloride or 2-phenyl benzopyrrolium chloride. So this is the structure of anthocyanins, which has positive charge at oxygen atom of the serine. See, this is the oxygen atom which has a positive charge and it has a hydroxyl group at 3, 5 and 7 position. So this is the structure of anthocyanins. Let's see first anthocyanin, that is the cyanidine. It has a molecular formula C15H11O6Cl. This is the molecular formula of cyanidine chloride. The IUPAC name of cyanidine is 357 4-5- pentahydroxyflavelium. It has a flavelium nucleus in its structure and 5 hydroxyl group present at 3, 5, 7, 4- and 5-. On acetylation, it gives pentaacetyl derivative, and on methylation, it gives pentamethoxy derivative. Then the formation of pentaacetyl and pentamethoxy derivative confirms that it has 5 hydroxyl group in its structure. Then let's see the position. On fusion with KOH, it gives fluoroglycanol and 3,4-dihydroxy acid. So this is the structure of fluoroglycanol. And then formation of this fluoroglycanol confirms that it has hydroxyl group at 5 and 7 position, and formation of this 3,4-dihydroxybenzoic acid confirms that it has a hydroxyl group at 3 and 4 dash position. Let's see the synthesis. Now this compound on reaction with the Grignard reagent converts this ketone group into alcohol. Then this product get heated with HCl, and here formation of cyanidine chloride takes place. So this is the synthesis of cyanidine. Now let's see hirsutidine chloride. The molecular formula of hirsutidine chloride is C18H17O7Cl. On acetylation, it gives triacetyl derivatives, and on methylation, it gives trimethoxy derivative. Hence, it indicates the presence of 3 hydroxyl group because triacetyl derivative and trimethoxy derivative formation takes place, which confirms the presence of 3 hydroxyl group. Now the position hirsutidine chloride obtained by hydrolysis of hirsutine chloride. So this is the structure of hirsutine chloride, which has sugar moiety attached at 5 position. When hydrolysis takes place of hirsutine chloride, we get hirsutidine chloride. Basically, this sugar moiety get converted into OH.